when I look at this felt vessel, which was created in white and eco-printed afterwards, I can see that it's three-dimensional. But everything starts flat or two-dimensionally around your plastic template. And it's important to understand that the fibre that's at the edge of your template that goes over from one side to the other, that's what holds the structure together. And in the completed piece, when it is shaped, that edge is not at the bottom. That edge is really sort of around this part here of the finished shaped vessel. So it's very important to make careful, be very careful and mindful when you're working on the edge of your template. You're going to see how I do that. But as a beginner, and even as a more experienced felt maker, I find it's very, very helpful to think of a three-dimensional piece like this as if the plastic template is a letter and the fibre, the felt on the outside, is an envelope. So I'm going to just insert this template in here just for a minute, and I'm going to squash it down. So as I'm felting my piece, I have got the wool fibre wrapped around the plastic template, and fibre from one side of the layer will go over the edge of the template and combine with fibre on the other side. And this plastic template, it has two different purposes, I suppose. The first is so that the fibre from the top side doesn't go through to the bottom side, and the second is to determine the shape your piece is going to